Shaban, Shaban.
Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Holy nights. The mother of the believers, Sayyidatuna Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha stated, I heard the Prophet of Rahmah, the intercessor of Ummah, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, saying, Allah Azza wa Jal opens the doors of mercy in 4 nights, especially number 1, Eid al-Adha, number 2, night of Eid al-Fitr, number 3, 15th night of Shaban, as in this night the names of those destined to die that year, sustenance of people, and the names of those who shall perform Hajj that year are inscribed. Number 4, night of Arafah, the night between 8th and 9th of Zulhijjah until the Azan of Fajr. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, how critical the 15th night of Shaban al-Muazzam is. No one knows what will be predestined for him. Sometimes a person is heedlessly busy with his activities while mishaps are destined for him. It is stated in Gunyatut Talibin, the shrouds of many people are washed and prepared, but they are busy wandering around in the markets. There are many people whose graves have been dug and ready, but they are busy enjoying themselves. A number of people are busy laughing, although the final moment of their death is approaching. The construction of many houses is about to complete, but at the same time, the lifetime of their owners is also about to be complete. आगाह अपनी मौत से कोई बशर नहीं, सामान 100 बरस का है, पल की खबर नहीं. People have things of 100 years, although they are not sure of a single moment, because no man is aware of the time of his death. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.